So guys, in my previous video I showed that I had issues with my parking sensors. Brand new install, and it started to beep slightly all the time for no reason. And after doing some research I saw that it's about that they are painted, and painted in a bad way. Let me show you how. So basically here, this is my front bumper, and I had my front right beeping all the time. So what I did, I just took a very fine sandpaper, and from what I understood is that the center vibrates at 50,000 times per second, actually 40,000 times, 40 kilohertz. And there was a lot of clear coat on here, too much paint. So what I did, just to test it, because I might buy another one, I sanded off the whole top. But I think it's not about the top. I think you have to go inside here. If this is sprayed, because you can see that there's a little rubber in there, and this must be able to freely move. And I think that there was some paint that's actually like kindly stuck the two together. So I sanded them loose basically, and I also sanded the surface. And now this is fixed. So this is one. Here I did a little bit too much, but I will use a paint marker. Look, this is one that works. Here I didn't do anything, but you can see the surface is kind of flat. Actually you can see it's actually not flat, but here I have no issue, and neither do I have an issue in the back, and neither this one here. I did not touch this, so this is all fine. But anyway, if it's malfunctioning, but actually I can see from here that's actually pretty clean inside, and it has a chance to vibrate. So sandpaper, make sure the inside is free of paint, so the rubber can freely allow this to vibrate. So if you ever want to spray them, you know what you would have to do. I would put an O-ring inside here, and then I would spray it lightly. That would be my solution, and not too much paint on the top here, because if it's too heavy it might give a wrong reading. Thanks for watching.